Today I'm at Cincinnati Nature Center over in Milford, Ohio. This has got a trail for everyone. There's easier trails for people with limited mobility and children, small children. There's difficult trails for those who are more advanced. So really any fitness level. It's got a lot of beautiful scenery. They have guided tours that you can check out birds and wildlife and plants and flowers and things like that. Very educational. They have, like I said, multiple trails, so you can really get your miles in if you want. So I'm just going to take you on a few of my favorites and give you some highlights. Different trail now. The first trail I was just on was called the Fernwood. This one's called the Geology Trail. This one will take us down to the creek, and I'll probably link all the names of the trails that I do today. Or I'll list them in the description probably for this, so that you'll have the actual names. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day today too. It's I think it's like 78 or 79 degrees today, and it's a beautiful sunny day. It's great weather we're having here in April. It's actually unseasonably warm for Ohio, but I'll take it. There's lots of wildflowers, and they also have, I'll probably try to get that in this video too. They have like a little herb garden that has a bunch of different names of different herbs and different plants that you could actually plant in your own garden at home. We're approaching one of my favorite parts of this trail. It's really cool up here. This one little spot just overlooking is my favorite place to take a break for a few minutes. Even got a couple chairs here to sit back and relax for a second. I think that's what I'll do. I'll take a little break and drink some water. Now we're down by the creek that runs through the property. There's multiple sections of this where you'll cross for different trails. Here's the map. So today, let's look here. I started here, and we went all the way around down to here, and this is where I am right now. As you can see, there's a lot of trails still. I'm probably gonna hike probably down this way, and then maybe back up, and then back around. And then I'll probably have to do another video to show the other trails. I mean, there's like so many here. But yeah, I might do 1 or 2 more videos that just show all the different trails at this location. There's also another location out in Goshen, Ohio that I'm gonna also probably videotape too. Let's see here. So that one's the first trail, 1.56 miles. And this is the other one, 1.33. Then my next trail will be, where is it? Oh, right here, 1.33. And maybe another trail or so, I'm not sure. Sun's starting to go down, but I still got plenty of time. All right, I might come over here real quick and show you this another little creek crossing. And And there's a pump house up this way, and I'll also tape some of that so you can see what that looks like as well. Here's the next creek crossing. And the trail's over there. Sun's bright. And I'm going to be heading back up this way and head toward where they have the pump house. So that's my next stopping point. Here's the pump house. It's pretty cool. Glad they restored this. Here's one of my favorite things here. I pretty much like anything with water. Oceans, lakes, streams, ponds, it don't matter. There's a bridge right there that crosses to another trail. Here's the trail that takes you to the herb wall. Go down through here and it'll tell you what they have planted and growing here. like to have one of these in my backyard. Well, coming to the close of my hike here for today. I got to hike 3 trails today. Like I said, I'll do another video that shows some of the other trail locations and what they look like. But it's been a beautiful day, and I got some steps in, and the sun's starting to set. It's 5 miles well spent.